p.m. Wake up from snoring, open DM, scan of Red Bull by the bed. Vape is charged and Snapchat's red. She's beauty, she's grace. She has a profile picture of an anime girl's face. Just a single message more since rubbing up my Ethernet cord. I wanna be the guy that you fall asleep on call with. I'll make you forget every guy that came before me. 'Cause I like you and you like my attention. Let's skip to the good bit. This consummate our internet connection. I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, with an ego. I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, with an ego. Mum took away my PS4, so I punched a hole through my bedroom wall. I'm not aggressive, but just ooze masculine passion. Did you know I've also got depression? Self-diagnosed, thought I should mention. I thought you could be the one to fix me.
I wanna be the girl that you fall asleep on call with. Meanwhile, I'll find other people to talk with. 'Cause you like me, and I think you're a maniac. Let's get to the good bit. Let's completely block all contact.
I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, with an ego. I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, I'm in love with him, with an ego.
Mum took away my PS4. I've said it so many times before. How could I live on if I keep on collecting? These every little slight's an insurrection. Constant pain in every dimension. My body weeps, disbelief pet suspension.
Wanna be the guy if I'm stalking your affection. Social media scours, seek police intervention. I face mine, I feel an obsessive media. Maybe if I act like them, you respond to my DM.